students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about the Pythagorean theorem, which is very easy and interesting too. So when I talk about the Pythagorean theorem, I must have here a right angle triangle. If you have a right angle triangle, so you can use the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem is what we have here in this right angle triangle. The segment which is, or the side which is opposite to the perpendicular or the right angle triangle, this is called what? Hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse and this is the leg and this is the other leg of the triangle. So the first thing I have to find the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse and these are the two legs of the here triangles. So the triangle. So I have here the squared hypotenuse. Squared hypotenuse equal what? Equal the sum of the two legs squared. C squared equal A squared plus B squared. Finding the length of a hypotenuse. So if I have here what? If I have here to find the length or C of the television's diagonal described above, use the Pythagorean theorem. Let A equal 15, B equal 20. So I know that C squared equal A squared plus B squared. So C squared required, A squared 15 to the power 2 and B squared 20 to the power 2. This means that 15 squared, 15 times 15 plus 20 times 20. Then I'm going to get, it will be what? 625. So C power 2 equals 625. So C alone will be square root, right? It will be square root here of 625. So C equal what? Equal 25. Why didn't you take the negative? Because here I'm going to take the positive, as the side of any triangle must be with what? Must be with the positive. So it will be 25 inches. What about finding the length of a leg? So if I have here this word problem, camping, you are setting up a tent here. As you see, the ropes that are used to hold the tent are what? The tent down are 5 feet long. So we have here 5 feet and what? And each rope attaches the tent with 3 feet here above the ground. So this is here the 3 feet. So this is the hypotenuse. As you see, we have here one leg. What about the other leg? He asked me to find it. So I will say C squared plus equal A squared plus B squared. C squared, I know it is the hypotenuse, which is 5 to the power 2. 5 times 5, 25. And I got what? A power 2, which is what? 3 power 2 plus B power 2, which is required. 3 power 2 means 3 times 3, 9. So get 9 to the other side by negative sign. So B power 2 equal 25 minus 9. B power 2 equal what? Equal 16. So B alone equal what? Square root of 16. It will give you what? 4. But this time with just positive, not negative, because the sides of the triangles must be what? Must be with the positive. And I give you this as homework. Please do this. Use the Pythagorean theorem to find them. Okay, my dear students, thank you for listening. I hope you understood everything. Bye bye.